Hi, my name is Crystal Mack, and I'm here again. Today's Friday, and I just got word that my house has been taken from me illegally under fraud, and even my documents on my property there's been fraud done to that, and I have right here. When I went to the town of Trumbull to get my copy of my deed, they deleted the past 15 years when I purchased my property. And the new transaction they have is like I just bought my property on May 26, 2015, which they deleted from the time I purchased my property. And they did an illegal foreclosure on my property on Martin Luther King, the National Federal Holiday, which the courts and everything was closed. And Martin Luther King's birthday fell the 19th to the 21st of January. And we went to pull more documents out, and the property was foreclosed. Well, they said they supposedly auctioned off on the 19th, but on the other legal documents from the town, they filed on the 18th of January, the day before the property was auctioned off. That is another fraudulent. I have all my warranty deeds, my mortgage release, and everything from 2011. And in 2014, with no proof and no signature of mine, they put this company's, GE's, name on my property, which is fraudulent. I said, who signed my name? Show me proof of claim. I asked for the subrogation. On the 18th of January, the day before they supposedly did the illegal foreclosure, which the judge said that is a national holiday and the courts were closed. And they said, well, we got to take her house because she could file again. And again, no proof of no claim. I asked them for a common law jury. $20. If anybody has a claim to make against you, you could have a common law jury. The judge denied me of my constitutional rights. When I went there, when I went back to the town, I looked on the records. The attorney Krausno turned around and had my property terminated after I had the warranty, quit claim, life use of my property, and he turned around and said terminated notice on January 18, 2019. Notice. Then he wrote termination, cease and desist, and I have all my elderly exemptions, which I've been in my house for 19 years. And we just had a big incident just now, this past week, on Sunday's breaking news about the attorney that stole 17 plus of his clients' real estate, trustees, and settlements. He was just disbarred, and he also was arrested. The judge gave him a bond of $5,000 and an ankle bracelet. As a result, this is the same attorney that turned around and murdered his mother, and now he's on the run. And he cut off his ankle bracelet and all. When do people have justice? When do we get justice? We've been calling our senators, our congressmen, and we found a lot of them, they know the laws and they are not responding. When do we get justice when we are being mistreated? We paid for it. I'm going to lose my house for $20 because they said I make the rules, and come to find out under the Foreign Agent Act, which we found out that they had no jurisdiction over. And I asked them, can I see, their Foreign Agent Act, and when we contacted Washington, they're not even registered. Where is our justice? How come they can sit there and all these homeless people and homeless children and they're destroying people's lives because they are making the rules and breaking the rules? And where is the justice for the people? You know, this is unbelievable. I said, and here's all my warranty deeds. Everything. I have all my warranty deeds, and everything was signed off and paid off. I'm just trying to get to that last page. But here's all my mortgages released. My mortgage release. My mortgage release. And then the 4 pages of the mortgage release. You know, this is horrifying. Where do we have justice? And where can we go to get our rights when anybody could just come and steal and take our property? And when they had the audacity to have the police to come to my house, and they said that I have to pay the police officers because they sent them, and they're getting $161,000 for my property, when I paid $157,000 and paid off my property, and all the money I found out is going to the attorneys. They didn't give me 1 cent, never made no investment whatsoever in my property, but yet I gotta pay them. And this is what's been happening to people all over. Why do we have to pay? There's 33,000 attorneys in the state of Connecticut. Why do we got, they're taking everybody's property and leaving everybody homeless? So what help and resolution are we going to get? And what justice, can we find justice in this system? Thank you.